Kristaps Porziņģis was born on August 2, 1995, in the coastal city of Liepāja, Latvia. His journey to NBA stardom is the story of a boy raised in a basketball family, one who would grow into a 7-foot-tall athlete admired around the world. Kristaps's father, Talis, had played semi-professional basketball, while his mother, Ingrida, was once a member of the Latvian women's national youth team. It was almost inevitable that Kristaps would find his way onto a basketball court, but he didn't start tall. Like most kids, he had to grow into his body, and by the time he was a teenager, he had begun to show signs that he could become something special. His older brother Janis had also played professionally and took on the responsibility of guiding young Kristaps, both in training and in helping him handle the challenges that came with athletic success. Kristaps began playing basketball in his hometown, but soon it was clear he needed a bigger platform. At just 15, he moved to Spain to join the youth academy of CB Sevilla, a professional basketball club. It was a big step for a teenager from Latvia, but he adjusted quickly, learning Spanish and immersing himself in the life of a professional athlete. He made his debut in Spain's top basketball league at just 17 years old. Porziņģis's time in Spain was pivotal. He developed rapidly, showing impressive footwork, a reliable jump shot, and surprising agility for someone his size. What truly set him apart, though, was his shooting range and shot-blocking ability. He wasn't just a tall player. He was a tall player who could move like a guard, shoot from long distance, and defend the paint. In 2015, he won the Eurocup Basketball Rising Star Award, becoming the youngest player ever to do so. By then, scouts from the NBA were watching closely. That same year, Kristaps declared for the NBA draft. As the 2015 NBA draft approached, speculation grew over where he might be selected. The New York Knicks, holding the 4th overall pick, decided to take a chance. When NBA Commissioner Adam Silver announced the pick, many Knicks fans booed. They hadn't heard much about the lanky Latvian, and their skepticism was loud and clear. But Kristaps didn't let it faze him. He smiled, posed for photos, and vowed to prove the doubters wrong. And he did. From the moment he stepped onto the court at Madison Square Garden, Porziņģis made an impression. He had a dazzling rookie season, averaging 14.3 points, 7.3 rebounds, and 1.9 blocks per game. He blocked shots, hit three-pointers, and played with an energy that excited the Knicks fanbase. He quickly earned the nickname the Unicorn, a term coined by Kevin Durant, who marveled at Porziņģis's rare blend of height and skill. Fans who had once booed were now chanting his name. But the NBA is a grind, and success doesn't come easy. Porziņģis faced his first major setback in February 2018 when he tore his ACL during a game against the Milwaukee Bucks. It was a devastating injury that sidelined him for more than a year. During his recovery, tensions began to rise between Porziņģis and the Knicks organization. He reportedly grew frustrated with the team's direction and management decisions. In a move that shocked the NBA world, the Knicks traded him to the Dallas Mavericks in January 2019. In Dallas, Porziņģis joined forces with rising star Luka Doncic. On paper, it looked like a dream pairing. Two European stars, both supremely talented, both hungry to win. Porziņģis had moments of brilliance in Dallas, but injuries continued to be a concern. He missed games regularly and often struggled to find a consistent rhythm. While he put up respectable numbers, often averaging around 20 points and 8 rebounds per game, critics questioned his defense and his chemistry with Doncic. The Mavericks were eliminated early in the playoffs, and whispers began that Porziņģis might not be the long-term fit for the franchise. Those whispers became action in February 2022, when he was traded to the Washington Wizards. In Washington, Porziņģis took on more responsibility. Without a dominant superstar alongside him, he had more opportunities to shine, and he delivered. He averaged 22.1 points per game in the 2022-2023 season, his highest since his time with the Knicks. He looked healthier, more aggressive, and more confident.